Have you ever had a moment where time just froze? Maybe it was a car crash and suddenly everything moved in slow motion. Or that agonizing wait for test results, where every second dragged like an hour. And yet, why is it that as kids, summer vacations felt endless? But now years vanish in a blink? Turns out, time isn't speeding up. It's your brain playing tricks on you. And today, we're uncovering why. Let's dive in. The brain's time warp. Okay, first, time itself doesn't change, but your brain's perception of it, totally flexible. And science says it boils down to three big reasons. Novelty versus routine. When you do something new, like traveling or learning a skill, your brain records way more details. More memories equals time feels longer. But when you're on autopilot, cough daily commute cough, your brain basically hits fast forward. Emotional intensity, fear, joy, even boredom. Strong emotions stretch time. That's why a panic attack can feel like hours, but binge-watching a show makes 3 hours disappear. Age and memory. Here's the kicker. When you're 5, a year is 20% of your life. No wonder it felt huge. At 30, just 3.3%. So yeah, time feels faster because each year is a smaller slice of your timeline. So no, you're not crazy, your brain's just wired this way. But guess what? You can rewire it. How to slow down time. Want to make life feel richer and longer? Here's how to trick your brain. Hack 1. Break the routine. Ever notice how the first day of vacation feels packed, but by day 7, it's a blur? That's autopilot kicking in. The fix? Micro-adventures. Take a different route, try a new food, or even switch up your morning coffee order. Novelty equals more mental bookmarks, so time expands. Hack 2. Practice time anchoring. Not meditation, just 5 minutes a day to fully absorb one moment. The taste of your coffee, the sound of rain. This trains your brain to notice time instead of letting it slip away. Hack 3. Create dense memories. Big experiences, trips, projects, challenges, make time feel fuller. So instead of I worked all year, aim for I learned guitar, visited 3 countries, and tried pottery. More milestones equals a longer feeling life. So next time you feel like life's rushing by, pause, take a breath, try one tiny new thing, and watch how time bends to your attention. Now tell me, when did time feel slowest for you? A first kiss? A near-miss accident? Drop your stories below. And if this gave you an aha moment, hit like, subscribe, and let's make more meaningful time together. See you in the next one.